here's the NFT. I put continually upgrade, which is to so that you get the narrowing down these seconds until 0, and then continuously speed up production. Uh, right, and wonder if it zeroes out, what happens. I think that's when maybe that's when you prestige. So then that might make a jewel. So that might print a jewel. I'm still learning, right? I don't know. I haven't seen this before. Yesterday I made the first video. I was making like $700 in the beginning, or so in like one day. Now I'm up to almost 480,000 in one day. Right. Yeah, okay. Let's see. How many unlock levels? There's still like 3 more. So like I think you're supposed to close them out like that. Like you're supposed to close them out by like 0 seconds, and then this will be um, the production level or whatever, just going up. Then I think that's like how they're it's like doing it's facilitating something for a program, like they're you can give them back to the creator or the program, so they attach the creator of the NFT, so you can and I think you definitely know that you can move. I think that's what they're working towards, is being able to take the currency from one game to another game and use it in multiple games on the same, connected to the same wallet, which is called Scatter, right? Scatter is the wallet, and you have a Wax wallet, a personal wallet, and Scatter connects you to all of these things, right? It's on EOS and Wax. Kind of, they're kind of it's like Taco Bell and what's it called? Oh, this is because I don't actually don't have to leave it running. So this is my computer, right? It said there was a contract that was like that one was rejected or something, but it just like it just fixes, right? There's little contracts in there, so like you're signing all of these contracts like with your Wax wallet. It does a signature thing on it. So some people might want to not do an NFT in a strategy game, or use a bot application on Canit or one of those kind of things, right? To make these, if one of those applications is a hit and they want to use the utility token, they're just gonna buy it. So uh, they're given, there's like it's interesting when you give somebody the opportunity to like start like with like less than a fraction of a fraction of a fraction of a penny to kind of scale with using timestamps based on how many times that you hosted a transaction or something like that, and they're programming that shit into a coin, which is not it's not a physical coin. You can't touch it, right? But it's on a technology called blockchain, right? The blockchain has basically the ability to go on and round out the tablature, like make this sound like more real, right? Like an instrument needs to sound like human vocal cords, right? And it's basically technology that is like, okay, media is always gonna be like flattened and dried out, like because it's on like flat media is always something that had to be like flattened out, like it dried out, like it was like wet and then dry, like film or paper. Maybe that's not true for everything, like tape, metal, something, but it's always like something like a film or something. CD-ROM is like, all right. I think is it.